Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom in Blender. First, navigate to the Render Properties tab in your Blender interface. Locate the Bloom checkbox under the Eevee or Cycles Render Engine settings. Enabling this option will activate the Bloom effect, allowing you to immediately see its impact on your scene's bright areas. This is your initial step to adding a beautiful glow. Once Bloom is enabled, you'll find several parameters to fine-tune its appearance. The intensity slider is crucial, determining how strong the glow effect will be. A value of 1.0 is the default, but you can increase or decrease it to suit your scene. Try values like 0.5 for a subtle glow or 2.0 for a more dramatic effect. This gives you precise control over the visual impact. Beyond intensity, threshold and radius offer more advanced control. Threshold sets the minimum brightness a pixel needs to emit bloom. Lower values mean more areas glow. Radius dictates how far the glow spreads from its source. You can also change the color of the bloom, adding a warm orange or cool blue tint. These settings allow for highly customized and artistic results. Bloom is incredibly versatile for various visual effects. It's perfect for making emissive objects, such as glowing lights or energy fields, truly stand out. You can also use it to enhance reflections and highlights on shiny materials, adding a touch of realism. For atmospheric scenes, Bloom can create a dreamy or ethereal quality, making your renders more immersive and visually striking. Experiment to discover its full potential.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.